Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix hidden apps not showing on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you hide an app on your iPhone iOS 18 and after that you do not see hidden apps option or any app named hidden. So how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, I will show you how you can hide an app on your iPhone iOS 18. So first of all, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after pressing and holding the app, you have to simply click on require face ID, and there will be two options available. The first one is require face ID, and it will only require face ID and it will not hide the app. But if you click on second option, then it will be shown. So here option available, hide the app, and you have click on the app. Now app is hidden. Now if you want to look for the app, then there is no app available like that. Now if you want to see where that app has gone, then what you have to do, you have to go to the app library here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of hidden app. So here you have to simply click on that hidden, and that app will be shown. But if you go back and again click on that, you can see that app is not shown. You have to simply click on the app. Now if you want to unhide the app or want to see the app, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply click on don't require face ID, and it will check your face ID, and after that you have to simply again find it and in app library, and after that you have to simply click on add to home screen, and that app will be available again on the same spot you have hidden from the home screen. Now in this way you can simply find the hidden apps on your iPhone iOS 18 without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.